Greetings, everyone. My name is Gerard. Welcome to Just One Good Trade, the trading channel in which you get to see a professional trader enact this trade. You get to listen to me. Sometimes maybe it's suffering through, but hopefully you're gaining a lot from it. But you get to listen through me to my logic. Why am I getting into a trade? In fact, I've been studying this position right now, and I think there's a chance for for a bearish trade. Now, let me go right into it. If we look at the 5-minute chart of the GBP/USD, trend has been going up, but little by little, you're seeing now lower highs and just lower highs. Really, you're not seeing lower low yet, because what's happening here, the bottom is still. Now you're seeing this as it crosses this line, this support line. It might head down and possibly give us 10 to 30 pips. 30 pips. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Same thing. Now, this is what I mostly look at. You have this line. This line is the support line. Right now, I'm going to draw another line on top, and then I'm going to draw a trend line. Oof, look at this, baby. Look at this trend line. I truly believe that if you're into wizardry, there is wizardry in the market. Look at this. Oof. Lord, as they say in the South, have mercy. Let's pick a nice color for the trend line. I enjoy colors, as you can see. This is good enough. Yeah. Now, I have certain rules when it comes to entering a trade. See this? There's a chance it might go up. I'm thinking it might just go down, but I don't know yet. Right now, price action is in stochastic is in oversold, and something I look for is draw this line. Let me draw a line here and see. I like to draw lines just to give myself a mental. But this one's gonna be a very easy line. This line, as it breaks this, that's when I know it might go down really. So here you can tell it broke. Let me see. Oh wow, it broke the 150 period, the weighted moving average. It broke, or there's this standstill here with the 150 period and 250 period moving average. As it crosses this or crosses this line, which, let's make it more dramatic. It's a more dramatic line. Let's see, purple, yes. We'll know if it's gonna leave the consolidation period. See here, we're getting a pendant, like a flag type. This bottom is still. So we just have to wait. There's two things I'm thinking. We get price action crossing and going here, and eventually crossing this as well. Let me put a line to remind myself of this support and resistance. It's a good morning. It's good when you have time, when you're not pushed by the market. Even though that's a story, because can't really let yourself be pushed. Now remember, trend is really, really up. When you look at 5-minute chart, trend is up. When you look at the 15-minute chart, trend is up. Price action is over the 150 and 200 SMA. So right now we are simply gonna play a game of patience so we can win our throne. A little water. Sorry. No. And must hydrate oneself. Okay. So what's our game plan here? Our game plan is there's what I would like and what might happen. I would like this price action to just fall. Then I would basically enter into a bearish sell trade. That's what I would like. It might gain momentum since it was here, and let's see if there is a candlestick formation somewhere. Ooh, you know, I kind of like this. If there's a candlestick formation happening and you have this being oversold, something I like to do is, let's see if there is a previous okay. Let's see if it's gonna cross this line here. If it does this, that will become an engulfing. That being said, let me prepare. Be prepared. See, take your time. Take your time, relax. So that's the line. If it crosses this, I'm in. And then hopefully it crosses this line and then does not reverse past these. That's really it. One has to be willing. Be prepared. Okay, let's wait. And we only trade after confirmation, never in anticipation. After 5 years of highs and lows and a couple of years of struggling, one has learned this simple fact. And price action has crossed this. Just to be sure, let's see if it's gonna cross this here. If it does, I know there's a lack of decisiveness here, but I'd like it to cross this line and then see if it's gonna cross this. Then let's go. Let's just wait. If it's meant to be, it shall happen. Wow, didn't. Across this, I would normally give it 2.5 pips. Okay, so I did well. So it has to cross, at least go behind this. A couple more. Okay, here is what I'm expecting. Wow, it touched it. See, this is why it is very important that as traders, you wait for confirmation instead of anticipation. That's where you will thrive. For example, here, that's exactly what I was looking for to get into that trade. I was looking for price action to get in this position here and just go down. But it did not. It simply flirted with the line and went back up. As if I'm not gonna I'm not gonna go down. You can't get me yet. I need a couple of drinks. You need to buy me a cocktail, say the right things, maybe a couple cheesy pickup lines, then I shall give in to your demands. But at the same time, right now, what is happening? I really think it's gonna go down. I really think price action will eventually plunge. But we have rules concerning stops. For example, if I had gotten here, no, I would not have gotten out yet, but it's a little unpleasant. The oftentimes being inside a consolidation and struggling to know when you should exit or not, it's not a pleasant feeling. And as a trader, one must seek ease in victory. That sounded great. Okay, let's see what's happening. This is this dotted. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. That's very decisive. This is a good. If this ends here, that would be a very good candlestick formation. I would like that. I know. I feel it. Okay, Gerard, don't let your excitement overshadow your logic. But this is very good. See, that's one of my setups. 821. 21 we have. Okay. At least we need something that crosses this line and stays there. That stays there. Cross this line and stay behind the line. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, how many seconds do we have? We have 20 more seconds. 20 more seconds. 15. This might be it, guys. This might be it. I'll get this and into this trade, and then my stop, it will be somewhere here. And of course, a moving stop. Guys, this might be it. A few seconds. Okay, this is it. This is it. Okay. What I'm going to do, just for visuals, I'm going to keep a line here as a reminder, and we'll have it be purple dotted. Okay, 1 pip. Okay, crossed. Now let's see where it might go. For that, I like my support line. Something I do in order to, right now it's 3 pips. I like to look at support on bigger time frame. So from here to here, that's 10 pips. So there's a chance for 10 pips, or oh, okay, that would be nice, 20-30 pips. So let's keep our mind open, guys. As this become a good 10-20 pips, our glory will be set. That would have been a wonderful display of not just skill but patience. So this is 10 pips here. I'm gonna draw a line. Well, it's kind of reversing, which I don't really like, but let's see. I do have like this. Drawing. just measuring, and from here another 50, 15. Okay. Okay, good. Our exit point wasn't set. I'm gonna use this as this is the high. What color should we put this? Red? Let's do green. Now, if it goes back and touch this and reverses by here, I know I should maybe exit. Those lines. Those lines are here. Something that I take pleasure in is knowing that my exit points are little by little lowering down. Eventually, as my exit points get here, I know, okay, I've secured some profit. But until then, is that a good exit point? This could be an exit point if it goes and touch here, but I'm hoping that it continues going down. One of the major aspects of growth in my life as a professional trader is that I've learned to not throw tantrum. And what does that mean? When the market doesn't do what you're expecting it to do, you have to submit, because I've said this many times. You are not the concert pianist. You're mainly the page turner of what is happening. You're an interpreter. You turn the page when the market turns. This shows that it needs to turn, or it will turn. Okay, see, my favorite rhyme as a trader is I like what I see. Okay. Now, one of the rules of a consolidation is what I measure it by. So for example, this is sorry, it's a little clunky. So for example, from here to here, that's how much is this? Okay, that's 16 pips. Now let's take this, which means let's move this here. Then let's put a line here just to remind ourselves. Then I will put another line here to remind myself that it might also go this way. Okay, right now we have 7 pips. Expecting at least it to touch this line, but what is this line? Okay, that's the support resistance here. Let's give you a greater look. Oh, it's doing this thing. Okay, let's hope it reverses past this. Oh. I like to keep this line just to remind myself of the low. Let's have this be this color. It's not a prominent color. Purple or good old blue. Ooh, 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 ooh. No, 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 no. See this still? Major sign for a possible reversal. Let's hope that it doesn't reverse past this line. That's one of my exit rules. Just continue going down. You know you want to go down. It's okay. Don't listen to them. Don't be mine. So how much would the market have given us? 6 pips. Let's see. Is it 6 pips? That being said, it's always good to prepare your exits early, because you never know. Okay. Cross this, and get here. That'll be amazing. You're skirting, bro. It's not giving us 10 pips yet. So that will be for 10 pips. That's the line for 10 pips. Let's see what it does. Where is our exit point? Okay. See this line here? That is our exit point. This is my basis. This is where I believe if it reverses past here, I should exit. But continue going down. I like it. What I see. What a wonderful trade. Let's continue with this, putting this, like this. That's my 10 pip moment. We have a first goal of ending here. Cross this. C'est pas un problème. Allons-y, on peut le faire. C'est pas un problème. Eventually, I will move this. Let's do the red for exit, because a red. Ha. Okay. Let's not cross like this. If it is this. Of course, we want it to continue down. We do. We do. And 5-minute chart, look at that. It touched this support line and it's reversing. We wanted to cross the support line for at least 5 more pips, giving us good confirmation. Okay, we need that. So what would mean, for us to know it's really going there, we need to get to 15. And then, bury all the way down here. Give us our glory. Which will be nice. Okay. Okay, 10 pips. Let's see what it does. But so far, one is always happy when one is in the green, right? One is always happy. See right now this move, that was a beautiful move. It's like love from the market. The market is giving love. Okay. Now, what is my exit point now? Let me do this. That's a good exit point. The market is giving love. How many pips? 16. Okay. Okay. Don't be... See, touch this, or it got close to touching this. Yes. Now. Okay, don't please. Okay, I know we had set this as a goal. I know, and it's kind of cool. But if you're... Yes, continue. But what is half of that? Half of that would be here. If you're gonna do this, do it, my friend. Don't worry about those people telling you you can't. You can give us the money. Okay. What I do is measure, divide this thing into... Oof, that's a radical. That's radical. That's muy radical. Ooh, that's radical. Continue going down. That's radical. Okay. That's radical. Oh! 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 Please. Oh! 13 pips. My God. Oh. Guys, that's rough. Rough riders, deciders. Please go lay down. Oh! See if it touched this. Whew. Crossed back down. Yeah, something dangerous is happening here. Something more than peligroso, as they say in Spanish. In French, dangereux. We need this to go back here, at least cross this line. Okay. You know, I wish... It's reached this line, yeah, which we should be happy about. Cross this one, okay. Guys, we shouldn't be greedy. If it goes and touches that line, we have to accept. We have to give back to Caesar what is owed to Caesar. But we don't know yet. We don't know yet. That's a huge move up. Huge. From here to here, that's like huge. But the market is playing. Oh man. Okay. 10 pips. Okay. It would be nice if it just went down, but if it gets back to the green, I should just exit this. 9. Just go down. From 16 to 9. It's not too terrible. Now, I suffer from this, I will admit. Should have exited here. I know, guys. I know. Well, here's something interesting. That was a very good trade. There was a lack of decisiveness. Should have, at least this is the part where we should have left. But yes, we knew this was the goal and it reversed. You know, it's good. The money sometimes is good. So the money is good. You know. And not just the money is good, but it sometimes make you you know, that's not true. That's not true, guys. Let's not kid ourselves. It's not the money, it's us. For example, like I said, I knew that I had made this my goal, my target. I should have exited here, and then if the market was gonna go down, it would have traversed that line. I would have gotten into another trade. So this is for next time.